Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This week we are thinking outside the box store that is, and we are demystifying the sacred land that is known as a lumber yard. Now, as convenient as their locations are and as tempting as their prices may be, sometimes you just need some good wood. So, before you go, you need to know a few things. Number one, thickness is measured in quarters. So a 1 inch thick piece of wood is known as 4/4. 2 inches thick, 8/4. Number two, stock sizes aren't a thing. You're gonna find random lengths and widths of boards. And to keep things consistent, they measure these in board feet. This is a measure of volume. It is length times width times thickness. Number three, shorts are a thing. So if you don't need a full-length board, look for an area designated for shorts. These are typically discounted wonderfully. Number four, box stores don't typically know a whole lot about their product, but a lumber yard, they do. So when in doubt,